Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Today is the 10th of February. Seems like it'll be the first loss on the channel. Not the first loss, but first red day on the channel. Totally chill with that. I gotta learn how to take losses to the chin, and this is a loss that I'm gonna take to the chin. This is technically the second trade of the day. My first trade got stopped out break even, unfortunately, as you guys could see. Long the 1 minute, beautiful 1 minute close off of a 5 minute, ES. We could do the full TA, but yeah, as you guys could see, I'm in this trade right now. Kind of changed up the stop a little. Yes, normally by default I put my stop at the low, like default, but Rayan has been kind of getting away with some cheeky stuff, and also I've been seeing Desi do the same. So I thought, you know what? Let me see, like, experiment with the stop. Was that the best decision? I don't know yet. Very tight stop. I don't normally take trades like this. I just wanted to have a tight stop with a tight, quick break even. But, I think I might get slapped in the face for that. I'm not going to lie. But this was the first trade, right? It's actually mapped out right now. But this is the FVG, right? IFVG that we're holding. Look, NQ comes down, takes this Asia low, which means we got rid of the SMT. But I didn't really care because ES was holding its bullish gap so well. Sorry, it was a 15. Yeah, like, okay. I would not, like a month ago, would not have seen this. I would not have seen this gap. Like, when I look at high time frame, I'm not gonna lie, I don't be seeing like this seems very irrelevant to me. But we're holding it, and it looks like we're also not CE, but we're holding this well. We had just swept, bro. We had just printed a 5. Like, it was just too perfect not to take. I was eyeing, as soon as we started rallying up, I was really just eyeing this 1 minute gap. As soon as we inversed it, took it, break even up here, as you guys could see. This was yesterday's high, and unfortunately, price just rallied down, wicked me right out. I believe my entry was 90. Yeah, so like, unfortunately, like, this is my entry off the close, and price came down, tapped that 5 minute once again, and then popped back up. Not sure if we're still gonna, like, here's the thing, right? When you wanna long, you wanna be in early, right? You don't want to have a chance of retracement, which is probably what's happening right now, which is why I might lose this trade. Like, see, down here, like, this is an entry. I'm okay with an entry down here, but up here, we're kind of getting to the big leagues, and like, the longer I'm in this trade, the longer I'm watching this chop, the more I'm realizing I should not be in the trade. I think there's a note for me for next time. This is pretty much what happened yesterday, right? I took a break even, very unfortunate break even. Price started rallying back up. I see another entry. This was a really good entry, though, I'm not gonna lie. Very quick break even, and I think, you know what, it's worth the risk. Maybe one thing I need to work on that's different from yesterday, which is why I feel a little more uneasy right now, is the sizing. Yesterday I was half size, so taking that break even and then taking a half size trade right after really didn't mean much. But this is a full size trade, and this is my first full size trade on the funded, so it'll fully wipe out yesterday's profits. So I'm a little uneasy, but here's the thing, like, the way I have this set up is 7 trades. If I take 7 trades in a row and lose every single one of those trades, that'll blow my account. So that's how my sizing is set up. Yeah, I could do a very simple 10 divide 2000 by 10 size 200, but I'm up in it a little. I'm getting a little more confident with my stuff. I think I need the one thing that I really need to work on right now is FOMO, or taking a loss to the chin. I think that's the one. Like, the more I try and, like, I think I'm better than the market, or like, oh, the market stops me out, oh, let me just get back in. But sometimes it's not gonna work like that. Like, I think I need to be okay. I know I said this yesterday. But I gotta be okay with like just stepping away after that first loss or first break even. And here's the thing, maybe I should have taken a trim on my live when we went break even, because yes, it's 0.5 R. Is that a good trim? No, but it's my live. Might as well. If I have multiple cons and I trim a third of my position just to be safe, is that really like that bad to secure profits? I see where it could kind of hurt me in the long run. So I'm going to keep my shit open, my options open. If you guys have good ideas for that, let me know. I know everyone trades so differently, so it'll really be up to me at the end of the day. But I'm still in this trade. I will come back once we finish, or once, whatever happens. And I guess I'll talk about the loss or talk about the win. Who knows? Who knows? Got a little pop up. Not quite sure. I guess if we inverses BPR, we might be looking higher, which is nice, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so just got stopped out of my trade. Honestly, emotions. I was talking about this with like my friends in the call. Emotions. I was like a 3 out of 10. 10 meaning like crash out. Like 1 meaning like, oh, I don't care that I have any money in it. I'd say I was probably like a good 4, 4.5. Mainly because I think being in this trade, like it's just chop. Like, like that's the worst. Like not seeing it play out, like makes you just more and more like not confident with the setup, right? Like, but yeah, took the L. You guys see what the reentry was, right? Tap into the 5-minute IFEG. You see a pop up, inverse, entered. Yeah. Unfortunate. Let's see how much. Oh yeah, minus 43. Like, this is once again, like this is really just a paper cut to the account balance. Not tripping out about it. From now on, it's 1R sizing as well. It feels bad because I wiped out all of yesterday's profits, but in reality, yesterday was a half day. For me to make damn near 1R on a half day, like, bro, take that and win. So I'm happy with that. Unfortunate that we lost today, but hey, well, markets are open 24/7. Okay, whatever. Markets are open tomorrow, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow and execute. Take this loss to the fucking chin. I don't care, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.